So there is the three way to turn off your cell phone Redmi 15C. And in the step 1, you can using this power button and volume up to power up like this. Press it together. And step 2, you can using this only power button, but you have to need the setting before. You can go to the setting menu and then you can scroll until you find additional setting, tap on it, and you will find gesture shortcut, and you can tap on power off or reboot. You can select on press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and now you can turn off your cell phone only in this using this power button like this. Press it about 3 seconds. And the step 3, you can turn on this cell phone without using this power button. But you have go to the setting in the before to enable the feature. In the setting you have go to the additional setting, tap on accessibility, and then you can tap on accessibility menu, and you can enable this feature here and tap on allow, and then you can select the customize button and tap the location and select on navigation bar, and the feature will appear here. Tap on it and you can turn off or reboot your cell phone without power button. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.